If you're thinking that you might want to do work yourself, the best thing to do is to start with small projects and then build up. On the other hand, if you're someone who knows that you don't want to do any of the work yourself, then again, it's generally a good idea to start off with a smaller project in your house, like the smallest project that you could get some tradespeople or a general contractor interested in doing, because that way you can kind of audition a general contractor, or if you're going to be coordinating the work yourself, different tradespeople to do work on a small project. And then if they do a great job, then you have them back for the larger project. Usually where people get into trouble with being really upset with their contractor and having a terrible experience is they start with something really big, like the kitchen or the largest bathroom in the house, or something, again, equally large. You don't have the opportunity of kind of auditioning someone and figuring out who's the best person for the job by starting small and ending up big, rather. So in general, you want to start with smaller projects first. That way you can either, if you want to do some of the work yourself, even eventually, you get the confidence of being able to tackle the larger projects down the road. Or even if you're getting a general contractor to do all the work for you with the smaller project and then tackling larger projects down the road, then give you the experience of knowing who to work with because you've auditioned some folks.